പുതിയ വീഡിയോയിൽ വന്നിരിക്കുകയാണ്. ഈ ഗെയിമിൻ്റെ പേര് വാർ ഓഫ് ഡ്രാഗൺസ്. ഈ ഗെയിം ഭയങ്കര സൂപ്പർ ഗെയിമാണ്, നിങ്ങളും കളിച്ച് നോക്കണം. ഈ ഗെയിമിൽ പ്രത്യേകം എന്താ വെച്ചാൽ, ഞാൻ ഈ ഗെയിം എങ്ങനെ കളിക്കുക കാട്ടിത്തരാം. എൻ്റെ കയ്യിൽ ഞാനിത് ഇപ്പോൾ തുടങ്ങിയതല്ല, ഇപ്പം നമ്മുടെ ഉച്ചയ്ക്ക് തുടങ്ങിയതാണ്. ഉച്ചയ്ക്ക് റെക്കോർഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ വിചാരിച്ചു, പക്ഷേ ഒരു ഫ്രണ്ടിൻ്റെ കൂടെ അവൻ്റെ ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടില്ലേ അമൽ, അവൻ്റെ കയ്യിൽ ഒരു ചാനലുണ്ട്. അത് അവൻ്റെ കൂടെ സംസാരിക്കുകയായിരുന്നു. അപ്പോൾ ഇതൊക്കെയാണ് എൻ്റെ ഡ്രാഗൺസ്. ദിസ് ഈസ് ഹെക്സ്റ്റ്, ദിസ് ഈസ് ഡ്രേക്കോ ആൻഡ് ദിസ് ഈസ് ഫ്രിക്. ആദ്യം നമ്മൾ എൻ്റെ ഫസ്റ്റ് ഡ്രാഗൺ ഡ്രേക്കോൻ്റെ കൂടെ ഫൈറ്റ് ചെയ്യും എല്ലാവരും. ഇതിൽ ഡ്രാഗൺസിന് അബിലിറ്റീസ് കിട്ടും. ഡ്രേക്കോ ലെവൽ 2 ഇപ്പോൾ. ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞില്ലേ നിങ്ങളുടെ അടുത്ത്, ഇതാ കണ്ടോ, ഫയർ അറ്റാക്ക് ഇത് കഴിഞ്ഞു. ഇതോടെ കണ്ടോളൂ, ബൂം, ഫിനിഷ് എവരിത്തിങ്. We won, guys. This is an awesome game. You must also try. Our next dragon is Hext. Hext can use fireball. Wow. Hext defeated all of them. Hext is very powerful. He's a rock dragon, you know. He is very powerful. Return to home. You must download it also. This is a good game. We have missions also. I don't know how to play in missions. This is our arrow shooter. And this is our incubator. We can hatch egg. We can take egg from this. We can't upgrade. Breed of dragons. This is what we want. There are many dragons in it. My name is Sudev, you know. And look this. Clear. We have finished everything. Look this, we are cleaning the fog from here. Okay, clear fog. Okay. It will take 15 minutes. That time we will go to fight everyone. This is a good game. You should also try and watch it. This is the tactic how to kill the place. Attack. I will use this time our frick. Frig is gonna burn everyone, guys. Look this. We should first destroy the incubator. We have returned to home. Now today I am gonna show you 2 games in one time. Guys, this is a new game also. I didn't have time. I will not put any videos tomorrow, so I am telling it now. Telling this game now. This is a boxing game. Real Steel Boxing Robot is the name of this game. I will put the name of the I will put the name of the game in the comment section. Okay. This game is very good. Look this. Just 5 stars. Put shield. This is high punch and this is low punch. Yellow is low punch. The damage is not good. We are very damaged now. We can also lose and win. Oh shit, guys, we lost. Oh shit, we lost, guys. Sorry for that. We lost. And now we will retry it. Upgrade. We should upgrade our parts. We should make a new robot, I think so. Okay, so we don't have any money. In an instant I put a store. We have a boss in the last. We should first today itself I will finish the boss. Don't worry. Wow, we got a new one. Awesome. The left leg I will put. We are ready, guys. We don't want any new robot. I am just showing you how to play. Oh, challenges. I don't know that. We can do challenges. I am also playing it first time, so I don't know more about it. We are gonna battle now. This is not tournament. This is challenge. Oh shit. What the hell is this? He has 2 heads, guys. Look this. We are gonna defeat you, 2-headed robot. Are you gonna punch me? You will punch me? Our special move. Ha ha. You are gonna die, boy. Take this. Take this. Oh shit, defense. Oh, wait. Oh shit, he is gonna die now. We won. We won. I will put today's video 10 minutes only because I have to study today. Tomorrow is not test, but I have to write some homework. You know, tomorrow my teacher will question me why didn't you write, so I have to write, guys. So tomorrow tomorrow video will not come. Tomorrow's tomorrow it will come. So Wednesday video will come. Okay. Kill him. My special is gonna unlock. Okay. We are gonna die, guys. Oh shit. That was very bad. Today, when I played it first time, I win very much. When I am recording, I am losing. Why is this happening, guys? I will go. I want to challenge the boss. What? I have to finish this guy first. Next one is the boss fight. This been 11 minutes. After this fight, if we lose, if we win, I will go. I will come with the part 2 next time. Oh, punch. Guys, give us support. Oh, shit, he will defeat us. Yes, attack him. That was my full power. We can't defeat him. We are lost. Shit, man. We lost. Free retry we can give it. This is the last time. After this I will go. Don't be worried, guys. We will play Wednesday. Thursday I will come with crafting and building part 2. Okay, this is a hard match. We are in the yellow, guys. Oh shit, finish. I will upgrade. Bye, guys. Sorry, guys, I can't win this match. This is the last try. We have only one. This is the last try because we have only one try left. I like this entry because his suit comes like Iron Man. We all lose. We lost. Sorry, guys. I lost. Bye, guys. See you next time and peace out.